My name is Jeremy Kriegel. I'm an independent UX consultant, and I've been working to integrate Agile and UX for the past 7 or 8 years. So what I think is so important about talking about sketching, and it's not really just about sketching, it's about graphic facilitation, and what that does is allow you to better facilitate meetings and get things done faster. So you can imagine in a more traditional context, you might get together and talk about ideas, and then someone is going to have the responsibility to go off and turn those into screens or something else, whether that's a developer, a UX person, VA, etc. And then they're going to bring it back and they're going to get feedback and they're going to go make changes again. When you can have that happen collaboratively, you shortcut that process and you get all that feedback together and you get to agreement faster and you get it done faster. So what I think is one of the big directions in terms of where Agile is heading, and I take a lot of inspiration from David Hussman on this, is the first step was being able to deliver reliably. The second step is be able to deliver the right thing to the right people in the right way. And so that's where I think design and UX and design thinking comes into play a little bit more. We've gotten teams that can deliver. Now, are you delivering the right type of functionality for the right people? And are you doing it in a way that makes sense to them, that they're going to be able to use and get value from? Because you can build something and it might even on paper solve the problem, but if it doesn't make sense to them, or if they can't find it, or if they can't use it, then you haven't really delivered the value to them. So I think one of the big challenges is getting out of your current frame of mind. When you're developing a product, you eat, live, and breathe that product, but you're often developing it for someone who doesn't. So e-commerce is a great example. You work on that e-commerce site 40 plus hours a week. That person is going to come and buy something from your site maybe once a month if you're lucky. So they have a very different perspective on the problem. And even for B2B, sometimes it's still the same issue where you focus on building the product, but they're focusing on using it. So what you have to do is get out of your kind of product architecture centered frame of mind and get into a customer centered frame of mind. And that will help you make decisions that are going to be more likely to make your product be successful in being used by the people who need to use it.